triple, quadruple. The coveted International Council of Airshow's Sword of Excellence. The Bill Barber Award for Showmanship given by World Airshow News at the EAA, Experimental Aircraft Association Fly-In Air Venture at Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And also the Airshow Memorial Showmanship Award. Inductee into the National Aviation Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen, with a snap roll and a double on the top. The double avalanche, a loop with two snap rolls on the top. Let's give a big round of applause.
Right behind you.
Cadets, thanks y'all, nice work. Now Patty goes negative G, personal. It's horrendous. Down at the top, two snap rolls on the inverted. She'll push on the stick again, experiencing those negative G's, but this time she does a rolling 1/2 Cuban 8. She'll come over the top at about 1,500 feet above the ground, and the nose will now fall toward the horizon, down to 45, inverted. Watch for the roll, 2 points of a 4-point roll to the upright position. Approaching speeds now of 275 miles per hour. Rolls on the upline, 3/4 of a roll. Now she gets to the right-hand side of the aerobatic box. A quick roll to the upright.